of 28, Claire showed his patience and endurance by running an unofficial but outstanding mile in just 4 minutes and 4 seconds. He began to at the age of 6. He told a story about a rabbit. At the age of 11, he wrote a story about cursed diamonds and the people who owned them. He could finally stand up. He started to walk and slowly running. He did it! He could run. 2011, as she was resisting them, snatching her gold chain. Immediately, she fell on the railway track. But she refused to end it. She started doing everything we do with our hands, with her legs.
I find a lot more confident in public speaking and the way she prepares her speeches, the way she delivers. I think hats off to you, man.
And never giving up after. Coming up next is Anushka Ramukhyana. She is 11 years old and likes football, basketball, reading books and Bharatanatyam. So, welcome Anushka.
We had a lot of fun learning mom coming in and giving us sudden turns and twists, like completely unexpected. Yeah, looking forward for more opportunities to grab them in public speaking. I was like very shy. I used to speak a lot like my mom said, but when it comes to speaking on stage, I used to have my legs shivering. Now I can confidently say that I can go there and speak. So
I used to be like so scared, and now it's so much better. Like,
I think all the kids have done very, very well. They spoke very well, and I'm really proud of them. And of course, thanks to you. Kriti was like a little. I think she did so well. I am so proud to see her today. She didn't want us to join initially. That don't join the show because I'll not speak and all that. I was very proud of her, and all the kids have done very well. And thanks to you.
it was a challenge for us, but like it kind of made us think outside the box.